Hello everyone, today's topic is Art Integrated Project File of Rajasthan and Nagaland State in English. Please do subscribe my channel. Now let's see. Now first page is your introduction page. Name, class, section, roll number, subject, school and session. Introduction of Rajasthan. Rajasthan is a state of India. It is located in the northwest. It was formed on 30th March 1949. It is the largest state of India. It is known for its historical palaces, forts, temples, culture, tradition, festivals, architecture, etc. Now, introduction of Nagaland state. Nagaland is a landlocked state in the northeastern region of India. Nagaland became the 16th state of India on 1st December 1963. It is a rich variety of the natural, cultural, environmental resources, minerals, petroleum, hydropower. It is also known as the land of festivals. And here are some maps of these states. Area and districts of Rajasthan state. Rajasthan state covers an area of 3,42,239 square kilometers. It is the largest state by area. Rajasthan is divided into 33 districts. Now, area and districts of Nagaland state. It covers an area of 16,579 square kilometers. Nagaland state divided into 16 districts. Boundaries of Rajasthan. Rajasthan state is bordered by the Gujarat to the southwest, Madhya Pradesh to the southeast, Uttar Pradesh and Haryana to the northeast and Punjab to the north. In northern side, there are Great Indian Desert part. Boundaries of Nagaland. It is bordered by the Indian states of Arunachal Pradesh to the north, Assam to the west, Manipur to the south and the Zhejiang region of Myanmar, Burma to the east. Government and politics of Rajasthan state. Rajasthan Assembly is unicameral with 200 members of Legislative Assembly, 10 seats to Rajya Sabha and 25 seats to Lok Sabha. Government and politics of Nagaland state. The state legislature is unicameral, assembly are 60 seats, Rajya Sabha is 1 seat and Lok Sabha is 1 seat. Capital and language of Rajasthan. Jaipur is the capital of Rajasthan. Jaipur is the biggest city of Rajasthan. The official languages of Rajasthan are Hindi and Rajasthani. The other language is English also. Capital and language of Nagaland. The capital of Nagaland is Kohima. Dimapur is the largest city of Nagaland. The official language of Nagaland is English. Flora and fauna of Rajasthan state. Flora includes of Rohida tree, people, dak, bear, banyan, khajur, khejri, babool, etc. Fauna includes of chinkara, black buck, white cat, hyena, leopards, tiger and many more. Flora and fauna of Nagaland state. Fauna includes such as stag, bear, mithun, sleuth, barking deer, wild hog, wild cats, elephant, monkeys, langur, tiger, python, wild dogs and many more. The flora includes such as pine species, teak, etc. The forests are rich in orchid also. And here are some pictures of flora and fauna of Rajasthan and Nagaland states. Cuisine, food of Rajasthan. Famous food of Rajasthan is dal bati churma. The other dishes are mawa, प्याज कचौरी, घेवर, बाजरे की रोटी, लहसुन की चटनी, गट्टे की सब्जी, बीकानेरी भुजिया, कलाकंद, लस्सी, etc. Cuisine, food of Nagaland state. Dishes like bamboo shoot, bushmeat, hinkejbu, samathu, fish in bamboo, juthu, akini, meat, fish are the most popular foods of Nagaland. And here are some pictures of delicious food of Rajasthan and Nagaland state. Music and dance of Rajasthan state. Ghumar is a most popular folk dance of Rajasthan. Some other dances are Chari, Puppet, Kalbelia, Bhavai, Chakri, etc. Folk songs are Ghodi, Banabani, Kesariya Balam, etc. Music and dance of Nagaland state. The folk music is dominated by string instruments. The folk dances of Nagaland include Modse, butterfly dance, Alu Yattu, Sadal Kekai, Kuki dance, Khambalim, Mayu dance, Rengma, Sicha, Kukai, Kucho, etc. And here are the some pictures of music and dances of Rajasthan and Nagaland state. Traditional dress of Rajasthan state. The traditional dress of man consists of dhoti, kurta, turban, kurta pajama, pant, shirt, etc. The traditional dress women consists of ghagra, choli, kurti, odhni, sari, etc. Traditional dress of Nagaland. The most prominent item of Naga dress is the shawl. The traditional dress of man consists of the alangastu and klit, and the woman consists of aju, jangapsu, mechela, nikhro and moya tusk. And here are the some pictures of traditional dresses of Rajasthan and Nagaland state. Ornaments of Rajasthan state. Rajputana gold jewelry is one of the most beautiful styles of jewelry. Some are necklace, bajuband, anklets, lag bangles, kundan, rings, meenakari, earrings and many more. Ornaments of Nagaland state. Nagaland jewelry is made from a variety of materials such as carnelian, glass beads, coral, bronze, boa tusks, shells, ivory, conch shells and cowries. The jewelry obsessed with earrings, armpits, anklets, necklaces and many more. And here are the some jewelry pictures of Rajasthan and Nagaland states. Temples of Rajasthan state. Rajasthan has lots of temples. Some temples names are Birla Mandir, Moti Dungri Ganesh Mandir, Govind Devji Temple, Galtaji, Mehendipur Balaji, Salasar Balaji, Sheela Mata Mandir, Kale Hanumanji, etc. Temples of Nagaland state. There are so many temples in the Nagaland state. Some names are Shiv Temple, Dimapur Jain Temple, Dimapur Kalibari, Kalibari Temple, Durgabari Mandir, Tiju River Temple, Nepali Mandir, Durga Temple, Vokha Shiv Mandir and many more. And here are the some temples pictures of Rajasthan and Nagaland states. Agriculture of Rajasthan. Rajasthan state is the largest producer of edible oils in India. Wheat, maize, rice, pulses, barley, jowar, cotton, vegetables, fruits, groundnut, oil, seeds and tobacco are grown here. Agriculture of Nagaland. The various kinds of crops cultivated in Nagaland are oil, pulses, seeds, fibers, sugarcane, potatoes, rice, tobacco and millets. Tea and cardamom are also grown as plantation crops in Nagaland. And here are the some pictures of agriculture of Rajasthan and Nagaland states. Famous festivals of Rajasthan. Tej is the most important festival of Rajasthan. Some other festivals names are Sinjara, Gangor, Diwali, Dashera, Pushkar Mela, Makar Sankranti, Raksha Bandhan, Mahashivratri, Ganesh Chaturthi, etc. Famous festivals of Nagaland. There are lots of festivals celebrated in Nagaland state. Some festivals names are Hornbill Festival, Tuluni, Hega, Sukrunyi, Sekreni, Tusukene, Elolang, Naknelam, Mimkud, Tuku Imong, Mui, Motsu, Bushajiba and many more. And here are the some pictures of festivals of Rajasthan and Nagaland states. Wildlife sanctuaries of Rajasthan state. Wildlife sanctuaries are Ranthambore National Park, Sariska Tiger Reserve, Nahargarh Botanical Park, Jhalana Safari Park, Mount Abu Wildlife Sanctuary, Desert National Park, Darha National Park, etc. Wildlife sanctuaries of Nagaland state. The famous wildlife sanctuaries and national parks of Nagaland are Natangki National Park, Kohima Wildlife Sanctuary, Fakim Wildlife Sanctuary, Rangapahar Reserve Forest, Singhpam Wildlife Sanctuary, Gosu Bird Sanctuary, and Pule Bach Wildlife Sanctuary. And here are the some pictures of wildlife sanctuaries of Rajasthan and Nagaland states. Tourist places of Rajasthan state. The famous tourist places of Rajasthan are Moti Dungri Ganesh Temple, Govind Dev Ji Temple, Amber Fort, Jaigarh, Jal Mahal, Nahargarh, Hawa Mahal, Jantar Mantar, Mount Abu, Sariska Tiger Reserve, Ranthambore National Park, etc. Tourist places of Nagaland state. Nagaland is very famous for its tourist destinations. Some names are Kohima War Cemetery, Dimapur, Longlang, Kohima Zoo, Museum, Mokok Chung, Wokha, Meluri, Peg, Japfu, Peak, Duzuku Valley, Doyang River, Naga Bazar, and many more. And here are the some pictures of tourist places of Rajasthan and Nagaland states. Other important things of Rajasthan state. Rajasthan is known for its handicrafts, handloom, jewelry, gemstones, rugs, puppets, paintings, Sanganeri prints, fabric work, pottery, metal work, bandage, jutis, bangles, etc. And other important things of Nagaland state. The most famous products of Nagaland are bamboo, weaving, cane products, wood carving, works of art and crafts, metal work, bead work, basketry, pottery and jewelry. And here are the some pictures of other important things of Rajasthan and Nagaland states. Symbols of Rajasthan state. Song Kesariya Balam, language Hindi Rajasthani, animal camel Chinkara, bird Godawan, flower Rohida, dance Ghumar, tree Khechri, game basketball. Symbols of Nagaland state. Emblem unity, picture of bull, bird blitz tragopan, flower rhododendron, mammal mithun, tree alder. Thanks.